Hey traders, Mike Sir here. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to wish all you guys a happy new year. As you may have noticed, I'm finally speaking to you guys in front of a camera instead of all you guys hearing my voice in the background of my videos. Now, 2021 was an extremely busy year for me. In addition to producing lots of great content for you guys, it was a great year in terms of the stock market and trading in general. I had a lot of fun working closely with a lot of my students. As well, it was a transitional year for me as I came back to Canada after spending the 5 to 6 years traveling all around the world. You guys can check out my travel video at the end of this video. Now, I don't know whether 2022 is going to be as strong of a year compared to 2021, but what I can sense is probably going to be a more volatile year compared to 2021. And this presents a lot of opportunities for you and I. So now that we are at the beginning of the year, I think the most important aspect in terms of you reaching your financial goals this year is to actually start setting goals for yourself. Now ask yourself, how much do you want to make this year? What aspects of your trading do you need to improve on? What skills do you want to develop, or how can you improve your mental game this year? Now, for those who haven't had a chance to work with me yet, I'm going to share with you in this video how I help my students set their trading and financial goals and the steps that you need to achieve them. So let's get started. Do you want to know what the number one reason why traders fail to reach their financial goals that they set at the beginning of the year? It's because they set unrealistic goals for themselves to achieve. So for example, many of the students who come to me for help tell me that their financial goal is they want to make $1 million in profits this year, when they haven't even demonstrated that they can make $100,000, $10,000, or even $1,000 in profits. Now, I'm not saying that you should limit your beliefs or lower your financial goals, but what you should do is set some realistic, achievable goals first. Or it could be some smaller goals, like trying to prove to yourself that you can consistently make $1,000 per month, for example, which is essentially $50 per day, especially if you haven't even made that type of return in a month. Now, the key is small success makes you feel good about yourself that you are seeing results. This in turn will breed more success and you will feel even more confident, which will lead you to even bigger success. And this is where you can possibly achieve your big payday. However, if you take a different approach, that you want to, let's just say, make a 7-figure return right from the start, and when you don't achieve it, you start to take noticeably maybe higher risk, which will lead you to take bigger losses and ultimately maybe perhaps blowing out your account and you getting out of the financial markets, mainly because you either lost your confidence or all your money. Besides having realistic financial goals, you must set clear and specific financial goals like, I want to make X amount of profits this year, or I want to make X percentage return on my capital. Now, if you don't know how to determine your financial goals, one suggestion that I have, especially if your goal is to become a full-time trader, is to first calculate how much you need to make each month to pay your monthly bills. Now, this could be your first financial goal. Now, if you have covered all your monthly expenses, then determine the lifestyle that you want to live and calculate how much is it that's going to cost you each month. And this could be your second financial goal. So once you decide on a realistic specific profit target or percentage return, then what you need to do is just work backwards. So let's just say, for example, you want to make $50,000 in profits this year, and you're starting with a capital of, let's just say, $50,000. So you want to essentially make 100% return on your capital. Now that's great. So now what you need to do is just divide that $50,000 and 100% by 12 months. This means that you need to target a monthly profit of $4,166 or 8.3% return per month. Then what you want to do is divide that figure by 4 in 2 weeks. So this means that you need to target a weekly profit target of $1,041 or 2%. And again, if you think this is not realistic or you're not close to achieving any of those targets, then adjust your goals until they're achievable or what you have already been generating. So the key here is, now that you know what specific profit and percentage returns that you need to achieve on a weekly and monthly basis, all you need to do is look for specific trading opportunities that will help you achieve that. So for example, let's just say you identify an opportunity in the markets based on your analysis that would allow you to earn, let's just say, $50 in profits on that trade, especially if that trade worked in your favor. And also you calculate it based on your risk tolerance. But your goal for the week is to generate, let's just say, $1,000 in profits. Now this means that you have to have at least 20 of these $50 profit trades and assume that all 20 trades are all profitable. So, this is not an easy task. So what you should do here is either pass on that trade and look for potentially bigger profits on other trades, or if your risk tolerance allows it to be able to play a much bigger position size, or change your take profit target. Now I explain this process in detail on future videos. Now, as I said in my past videos, the key for you is you must only put on trades that can potentially help you or make it easier for you to reach your financial goals. Besides setting specific financial goals, you should also set non-financial goals for yourself. For example, these could include trading knowledge-based goals. Do you want to improve your chart reading? Any fundamental research on a specific sector that you want to get to be more familiar with? What specific trading skills or strategies do you want to get good at? Set aside time to become more knowledgeable and practice these new trading skills. Also, another type of non-financial goal that can help you become a better trader is to become more structured in terms of your trading. Perhaps having a trading system to automate your trades, or focus more on minimizing risk in your trading. As well, perhaps you want to work on your mental game to be more disciplined while you're trading, not allowing your emotions to sabotage your trading. Before I share more with you, I want to let you guys know that I just finished developing my new live mentorship program. It's a program that I took years to develop, and it's based on me analyzing a lot of the best traders in the world and how they've been able to achieve tremendous success. Now, there really is a blueprint that they all follow, and I'll be offering to the public for the first time ever at the end of this month. Now, if you guys want to be notified when it's available, please make sure you get on my email list at atatraders.com. Now, once you have specific trading goals set, it's very important for you to develop a strong foundational knowledge of the financial markets before you start trading. You see, trading knowledge is like knowing the rules of the game. Before you play the stock market game, you need to understand how to read the charts, interpret when to buy or sell, and more importantly, know how to play the game properly so you don't lose the game, or in this case, lose all your money. Now, all my students need to first of all build a strong foundation of knowledge, whether it's technical or fundamental analysis, risk management, or just knowing how to utilize the trading platform before they even put on their first trade. Now, keep in mind here that I don't expect you to know everything about how the financial markets work, but know how to interpret and analyze the markets for opportunities. Many of you know that I'm a big believer of becoming a trader specialist, meaning that you should specialize in trading a specific market or sector, a specific trading strategy, or even a specific stock, rather than try to trade everything in the financial markets. Now, if you've seen all the top traders that I profile, they all made their millions or billions in their area of specialization or expertise, whether it's in US stocks, Nikkei futures, natural gas, or even cryptocurrencies. All of them have focused on becoming the best in whatever markets that they choose to trade. Each one of them has become extremely knowledgeable and identify specific trading opportunities in their chosen area of expertise, and this is one of the reasons why they are extremely successful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to watch other videos where I show you all the tools to profit in the financial markets, hit that subscribe button. Please click on the left for more videos and click on the right for the full playlist. I'll see you guys in the next video.